given triangle is triangle CAT is congruent to triangle DOG. Okay, step 1, let us analyze. And after that, identify the corresponding parts. So since ang given na measurement ay para kanino po? Kay sides. So meaning, we're going to get only the corresponding sides. Okay, so using the name of the two triangle, give me one pair of congruent sides. Yes or answer? Segment? Segment D. Oh, another congruent side. Higa. Segment G, O, G. And the last one is Lagrimas. After getting the corresponding sides, our next step is find the value of A, B, and C na. So let us analyze. Okay, since ang mga given na measurement ay hindi eksakto, okay, all we have to do is we need to form an equation. Okay, by using the corresponding sides. So what is the measure of segment CA? 2C plus 3. C congruent, papalitan na. Okay, and what is the measure of segment DO? 5C minus 12. Okay, so this is our equation. Okay, what we're going to do now, just combine the like terms. So what are the like terms? 2C and 5C. So this is the like term. So what we're going to do is we need to transpose what? 2C or 5C? 2C kasi mas mababa ang value ni 2 kesa kay 5. What will be the sign of 2? Okay, this will become negative. So 5C bring down minus 2C. And then C3 ay i-bring down. Why? Because we're going to move negative 12. Bakit? Mas mataas naman ang 12 kesa kay 3. Si 12 po kasi ay negative, kaya mas mababa yung kanyang value. So what will be the sign of negative 12? Magiging positive. Then after that, napagsama na natin yung common terms. So all we have to do is to simplify. 12 plus 3, 15. 5C minus 2C, 3C. Then what we're going to do now? Divide both sides by 3. Okay, therefore, what is the value of C? Okay, very good. The value of C is 5. How to check if our answer is correct? Si letter C, which is 5, papalitan ko dito. So, si letter C ay papalitan ko ng 5. Check natin, kailangan equal po ang makuhang sagot. 2 times 5 plus 3. Okay, 13 dapat to. Is equal to 5 times 5. 25 minus 12. They are equal. Therefore, the value of C is correct. Question. Okay, next, let us proceed by the second corresponding sides. Okay, what's the measure of segment 80? 3A. Congruent, gagawin equal. What is segment OG?
2A plus 7.
2A plus 7. What we're going to do, same procedure, combine the like terms. What are the like terms?
3A.
Okay, move what number? 2A going to the, what will be the sign? So this will become 3A minus 2A is equal to 7. 3A minus 2A. 1A or just simply A is equal to, okay, exact answer. Check natin if the value of A is correct. What is A again?
7.
Okay, 3 times 7, 21. Kailangan makuha din natin dito 21. 2 times 7, 14 plus 7. They are equal? Therefore, the value of A is correct. And the last one is, what is segment PC?
2B plus 11.
So, we have 2B plus 11. Congruent or equal? 2GD.
5B minus 1.
5B minus 1. Okay, combine the like terms. What are the like terms?
2B, 5B.
Okay, move what?
2B.
2B going to the
Right.
right. What will be the sign?
Negative.
So this will become 5B minus 2B and then bring down 11. We're going to move negative 1 going to the left. What will be the sign? Positive. Then solve. 1 plus 11 is equal to 5 minus 2. 3. Then bring down B. What we're going to do now? Divide both sides by 3. Cancel. What is the value of B? 4. Okay, so meron na tayong answer. The value of C is 5. The value of B is 7. The value of A is 7 and the value of B is 4. Okay, so let's check if the value of B is correct. So 2 times 4. 8 plus 11. 19. Dapat 19 din dito. 5 times 4. Minus 1. They are equal? Okay, now after getting the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. Let us identify the exact measure of this side or this segment. Okay. Segment CA measures 2C plus 3. Okay. Kung isa-substitute natin si letter C, the answer will be, okay, therefore, this side measures 13. How about this one? Segment 80. Ito yun. 3 times 7. 21. Therefore, this is 21. And then this is 4 times 5. Minus 1. Okay, this is the exact measure of the given sides of the triangle. So, any question? Okay.